In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Rosalia font not showing on Instagram. So if you want to use the Rosalia font and it is not showing, it might be because your application is not updated. Rosalia font is the latest feature, so in order to access it, you'll have to make sure your Instagram is updated. For that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Instagram. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Instagram and tap on it. Once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for update. Tap on it. Now simply wait for a while until the Instagram is updated. Now after a while, you can see over here Instagram will be updated. Now simply open the Instagram. After you do that, what you have to do is tap on the plus icon that you can see at bottom. Make sure to select the option for story. Now tap on the AA icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to type something. Simply tap on this option, tap to type. Now you'll be able to choose the font. Right now signature is selected. Tap on it until Rosalia font appears. But if still this font is not available for you, simply exercise your patience. Instagram will roll out this feature to everyone slowly. Slowly, this font will be accessible for everyone. So simply wait for some days and this font will be available for you. So that is how you fix Rosalia font not showing on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.